Changing your primary email on Personal Capital is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Personal Capital website and log in using your current email and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Locate the field that displays your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space. Double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, find the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Personal Capital should be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.